I'm back, and today my grandparents found a little baby bird with a broken wing. See, she's right there in the nest I made her in my room. And I was wondering if you guys know how to take care of a baby bird and actually, never mind. But yeah, this is a little baby bird that we found, and she's absolutely adorable. She's such a sweetheart. And once we get her wing fixed up, we'll let her go and fly away. Yep. I think she's big enough to be out of the nest and to be able to fly, so yeah. Yep, so I don't want to scare her, so I'm going to stop talking and go now. So yeah, we have to be gentle with these little creatures and quiet and try not to startle it. So yeah, bye.